Hey guys, so I thought I'd take a little bit of time each week and actually talk to you guys about products and tools. And this week I wanted to sit there and talk about zip ties. Now, if you're like me, I use them for everything. All right, if I got zip ties, I can fix it. But didn't really think that much about it. When you think zip ties, oh yeah, hand me a zip tie. But there are a lot of different brands out there. And Panduit makes some really industrial grade ones. Now I met them down at Zip Tie Drags and we got to talking, and theirs are so much stronger. It's ridiculous. I tried to break them. I did everything I could to break them. I couldn't do it. Now we all know how frustrating it is to use a cheap zip tie, go to pull it tight and snaps in your hands and you gotta go get another one. So that's why we always carry a big bundle of them around, you know. But these guys here are actually really strong. I got to find out that they're actually used in a lot of aviation products, things like that. I didn't have a clue, all right? But these guys here are super strong. So if you're looking at zip ties, it's only a couple bucks more. And I think on Amazon you can find them. Search Panduit. They got like 1,000 different sizes and all types of application. They even got metal ones. So now the other thing I want to talk to you about is their gun, all right? This is a tensioner. It will actually shear it. It's awesome. I couldn't believe this thing. This thing is going to save me time and all those cuts on the forearm. It cuts them nice and clean. So I'll show you guys how this works. All right, I've just taken a piece of pipe and chucked it up in the vise here. Now, normally you take a zip tie, get it started. We do the old, you know, pull it as tight as you can get it, and we grab a pair of dikes, cut it off. All right, simple and easy. But look, even though I pulled this so hard, it just won't tighten up. And the other thing is, you got this tail here that, you know, I can't stand these things because I mean, it'll cut you up. So what you can do is with their tool, okay, it's super loose. I can take it, pull, done. Okay, now that one's loose because the tension on the back. I left it loose. Now I'll go ahead and dial up the tension and we'll do the same thing. Now this here, you can just slide in from the side and it's tight. I can't move it. By dialing up the tension, I dialed it all the way up to 8. Now it goes from 1 to 8. You can adjust whatever you want. So if you're not trying to crush the product, you just want it snug, you can adjust your tension and get it exactly where you want it. And now let's go ahead and remove that old zip tie. These things are smooth as can be. I'll run my arm across them. I'm not gonna get cut. I mean, that's the greatest part of the tool, is it cuts them off nice and flush. Now guys, this tool here, it's a pricey one. This is not one that your average guy is gonna have in his garage, all right? But if you work with zip ties for a living, you're doing harnesses, wiring, whatever it is, look into one of these. It's gonna save you a lot of time, make your work a lot cleaner. But for the rest of us, just buy a better zip tie so they're not breaking all the time. Anyway guys, appreciate you watching. Let's show this thing in action a little more.